Hey, today I want to talk about the toilet. So it's funny because when we are doing a bathroom remodel, obviously we need to talk about toilets. And some people love to have that conversation. They want to hear all about toilets and how do I choose a new one and what do I do? Other people are like, no, can you just tell me the toilet I should have and I'm happy with that. And really, I can go either way on that, whatever you're comfortable with. But one thing that is really fun is that we have the opportunity to go to the Ferguson Enterprises showroom and work with my rep there that I've been working with for many years. And he will tell you everything you ever wanted to know about toilets. It's fantastic. And we've done that often. We can do that or not do it. It's totally up to the client what their comfort level is. But we recently had a client that just had so much fun with learning everything about toilets. And there's a lot to learn, let's face it. I mean, you've got your standard toilet, you've got bidets, you've got washlets, you've got things that are on like remote control hanging on the wall and all sorts of things. So this toilet, I'm not sure if I can get to a point where you can see it. This is a wall hung toilet. So you can see it doesn't go to the floor, which offers great bonuses for cleaning. You really just clean under it and it's fantastic. The thing about wall hung toilets is you have to be able to access the controls from the other side of the wall. So it can't be up against something, let's say, that has, a cabinet or a fireplace or something on the other side, because you have to be able to get at the controls of the toilet from the other side of the wall. That said, it's a great style to have and it works for a lot of people. There's a lot of options available in wall hung toilets. So it's fun to learn about all that, and it's just part of your bathroom remodel. So it's fun. If you have an opportunity and if you want to do that when you're working with us, it's great. And I think people that do it really love it. So don't be afraid of talking about toilets. It's fun.